Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 2 Series bonnet. First, locate the primary release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click and the bonnet will slightly unlatch. This action releases the first of two safety catches, preparing the bonnet for its full opening. It's a straightforward first step. Now move to the front of your BMW. The bonnet will be slightly ajar. Look underneath the front edge, usually near the center, for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening. You'll need to feel for it or peer into the gap to locate it precisely. It's a crucial safety feature. Once you've found the secondary latch, you'll either push it to one side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific 2 Series model. This action fully disengages the bonnet's locking mechanism. With the secondary latch released, the bonnet is now completely free. You can then lift it all the way up, ready for access to the engine bay. Finally, to keep the bonnet safely open, locate the support rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself or along the engine bay. Extend the rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Make sure it's firmly seated. This ensures the bonnet remains securely propped up, allowing you to work safely without it accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.